BABAKAY'S kitchen. Today I'll be helping my dad fix Nigerian party jollof rice. Come on, Dad, come right in. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button to keep our channel growing and to see more of my dad's delicious recipes.
To make the jollof rice, we're going to be needing 3 bell peppers, 3 tomatoes, 1 large onion, 2 Scotch bonnets, tomato paste, dry thyme, the Knorr Seasoning which you see here, bay leaf, a little bit of curry powder, green seasoning which I'm going to be using to season the chicken and beef. I'm going to show you all how to make that in another video. 4 cups of rice, half a pound chicken, half a pound beef, and vegetable oil.
Okay, I will be blending up some tomato, Scotch, Bonnet, some onions, and some bell peppers.
I'm going to start seasoning the beef and chicken with some green seasoning, a little bit of the curry powder, the Knorr seasoning, and some of the thyme. Now we're gonna be boiling the tomato and bell pepper blend. We're also gonna be adding the tomato paste. Now we're going to cover and let it boil on medium heat. Now I'm going to be boiling the chicken and beef. Now pour a little bit of onion to cook it now. And I got a liter of water. I'm going to check on the paste and it's dried down, so I'm going to turn it off now and let it sit. We're going to check on the chicken now and it's boiled, so I'm going to fry it next. So now I'm going to fry the chicken. I'm just going to put a little bit of onion just to flavor the oil. We're going to be using the stock from the chicken and the beef to cook the jollof rice. So Now I'm gonna take the chicken and the beef out, and we're gonna move to cooking the jollof rice. I'm gonna add 2 bay leaves just to give it some flavor. I'm gonna start on the jollof rice. I have the oil from the chicken and the beef I fried. So I'm gonna put a little bit of onion. And I'm going to add the tomato paste. Adding the Knorr Seasoning. A little bit of curry. A little bit of thyme. We're going to be adding the chicken stock. I'm going to be adding the rice, which is already washed. I'm gonna add a little bit of chicken broth to the cooking. Pot cover with foil paper. I'm going to cover the rice and let it cook on medium heat. It's almost ready. Give it another 10 minutes and it should be done.
Now it is ready. I'm just gonna mix it up some.
This is our finished product, guys.
Make sure you like and subscribe. Bye, guys.
Nigerian Jollof